listed.
ஒரு வாரத்தில் மறுபடியும் செடி
just grown here, and you can see the leaves here also. So mushrooms we can cut on the 7th day. All green vegetables, 7 to 15 days we can cut it. And no pesticides, it is in your room, and you are putting water every day, and you know your chilies, your tomatoes, anything can be grown on this. All fruits, vegetables. So this is the food security. All countries are now trying to have food security after COVID. So this is the latest our technology, and we have different spectrums. For example, if you know the spinach, one has to be, the leaf has to be bigger. One spectrum we have for that. The thickness of the leaf, another spectrum. The green of the leaf, another spectrum. We give all the so all spectrums we produce, and under that we develop. So last time have you seen the food that time I think?
Yes. That's why I thought this would be very interesting.
You can put anything under this line. You get it. So if you want to make biryani or pulao, what we call, all spices, there is no need to import now. Just call Polymatech, we supply you the rice, and you can grow your saffron. Everybody is here. This one, Sandra is sharing all this thing.
Oh, we saw the name of all the trees.
Yes, so whatever we manufacture here, it goes or it comes from this. In our lab also, 3 years old technology. So it is a single element. Whereas sapphire is a compound semiconductor. It is very hard material, fastest heat dissipation, so fastest data transfer. So once this is grown, we cut right. This is called wafer. And one side we will not do.
Okay.
The other side we do this. This is the substrate, and on this we build the semiconductor.
You refrigerate this? It's cold. You refrigerate it?
No, it's sapphire, no?
Oh, that's how it feels. How many trying to try it?
I will send you some sapphire glasses when we produce from Bahrain plant. You can have the rose drink. It will be cold for some time. No, but it will be very expensive.
Should we take a picture of this?
You should not in the country. It's amazing.
And after making this sapphire, this one, now this is the one which we cut and dice. This is called dice.
Oh, so this is the same one custom to
Yeah,
smaller.
this one is cut into the pieces. And back grinding has been done to reduce the weight. After this, we that is very now thin. We will again see inside. Then we will package it in different ways. If you see here, you will find those chips inside.
Yes.
It has I think 288 chips inside.
So micro is the size. So photo postman. Photo postman.
This is basically yeah, we develop this, we grow the
Cylinder.
330 millimeters. Try to hold it.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, it's heavy.
$2.5 million in your hand now.
Oh, no way. Do you want to hold $2.5 million?
Oh my goodness.
And 3 times of this size is there.
Photo.
That is the actual size.
That's how it comes.
So once this is sapphire. After diamonds, this is the hardest material. You know that silicon is the base for the semiconductors.
Put water.
All of you guys should try it.
Hot dog.
Close. Sir, please. Mind of our board. Collaboration. Yes. Collaboration. Teamwork. Hamad. Maybe we just have one helmet now.
This is from where we come and go. Yeah. Now water. Yeah, you can pour the water. Not the piazza.
கரெக்டாக கண்டுபிடிச்சிங்க சந்தனம் சொல்லிட்டு சரி கண்ணன் கரெக்டாக கண்டுபிடிச்சிங்க சந்தனம் எங்கள் வீட்டில் இருக்குது சார் வீட்டில் தோட்டத்தில் அவ்வளோதான் முடிச்சிடும்
So these are all Goas. You can see.
Watch from here.
So the green vegetables from there will go in.
I've seen that recently.
So full ecosystem is there.
Madam, stay.
Yes, please. Sir,
కొంచెం down, madam.
yes, super. Sir. Oh, thank you. Yeah. It is a must that you
Madam.
pour water.